Givenchy. So let's do a comparison. Hi everyone. Today I am going to do an unboxing video for Givenchy. See, that looks like you. Okay, let's jump into the unboxing. Sneaker white and red. It's 100% calf leather made in Portugal. Quite like the box. Come in individual dust bag. This is what I like. And both dust bag got the name Givenchy and a little logo here. It's a white sneaker with red at the back. So this is the Urban Street. So that's the shoes. You got the writing in here and at the back. Givenchy, Paris, got 2 knocks. And that's the bottom. That's the look. I am going to do a try on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 folds. So that's the shoes I've got. I really like the red leather inside. The red is just right. I saw this pair from Neiman Marcus website, $719, and I found a similar one with different colors at the back on Net-a-Porter. It was $720. But I got this pair from Costco, $429. A bargain! I quite like this pair because Givenchy always have the one that has the thicker band brand name on top. That's a bit too loud, and this one is very subtle because it's just written in gold color in here, Givenchy Paris, and then at the back, and it's quite subtle. And these 2 knot in here, they have no function, but then it's just for the look. Oh, and then there's a little name in here. So the whole shoes is not loud, it's not screaming any labels, and it's quite nice. This is how it looks on me. I don't like to wear jeans. I always want to wear a skirt or a dress like this. And I find that even though I don't have to wear heels, if I wear runners, I can still run because I normally walk very fast, very stylish. I am wearing this one, and this is all the white sneakers that I'm currently have. So let's do a comparison. So just taking it off, but this is the color inside is just so pretty, and I really like the subtle name here, there. It's just so nice. Let's put it here. So let's do a comparison. This is my new Givenchy here, and this is my Gucci pair. Both are quite subtle because there's nowhere it says it's shouting out the name. This is just the color. And then this is all plain white. This one will be easier to match any clothes. This one not too bad, but this is my new one. Okay, next. This is my Superga, the one that I have put wax on. But one thing, because the price is a bit different. This is the more luxury type. This is the one that is 100 something, and then on sale it was 80 something, and then but it won't last for too long. See, I wore it for not too long and it started to get a crack because here they were glued. But all of these designer brand, they got stitches. See, the Givenchy one got the stitches. The Gucci one got the stitches. Another pair that I want to compare is Superga, but this is the canvas version. This one is still comfortable. Haven't worn much, but same thing. This is just stick on. Okay, but this one is a lot cheaper. This one is about $40-ish. The next one that I have is my Adidas. This pair is my golf shoes. That's why the sole is different for me to walk. Comfortable, but this one is for me to play golf only. So, if I compare all the look, you will see I got a new favorite. I'm gonna wear it now. Always keep all the dust back. When I go to work, I wear flat or runners. But if I need to change to heels, I always put my heels individually in all of this dust bag, and then I can bring it to work and then get changed at work. So because this one is very good quality, very thick material, so which is good. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We upload new videos every week about luxury, beauty tips, life hacks, bandana, Romeo, everything you might like. See you next time. Bye.